Good morning, everybody. We are out here this morning trying to get the cucumbers tied back. Dennis is already working like a madman on this morning. So we're going to do a little bit of work in the garden before we go enjoy a day with the family. All right, so tell the peoples what you're doing.
Well, we've been lazy.
We've
Well,
been
no,
busy.
not really. We've been busy with the rain and the babies. So all these cucumbers, the intention was to have them to grow up this arch trellis, and it always works out well. But we just haven't got out here, so now they're growing this way. So I'm pruning off a lot of the sucker vines, just so that I can get the main vine to trellis up, and they'll branch out more. And then I'm weeding as I go because there is patches of grass growing in the weeds, and I am pruning some of the leaves just to help the airflow, so they dry out and don't get too wet. And then wet will cause fungal diseases and stuff like that. So we want to create some good airflow. So I'm just pruning. I'm almost done. I got about 10 feet left.
And I am going through and killing squash bug eggs. So that's what I'm working on this morning, is getting squash bug eggs exterminated. So that's where we are this morning. Cool. All right. So I'll show you guys right here. You can see right there that orange. Those are the squash bug eggs.
Show them how you kill them.
And so now I take my torch. You can hear that popping. That's those eggs dying. So that's what I'm doing.
Scrambling eggs.
Scrambling eggs. Yeah, there you go. So yeah. And let me come down here a little bit and I'll stay on the farm for them. Got some right here. Alright, so Dennis finished this row of the cucumbers, tomatoes, beans. Thank you, hon. So got them all trimmed up, trained up, trimmed up. So hopefully we can just come out here and continue that and not let it get as bad as it was. And you can see right here, we've got some potato beds that have died off. We might, if we have time this morning, try to pull a few potatoes.
We can.
But right now, Dennis is going through and doing pruning and weeding these tomatoes and some of the zucchini over there. And here in a little bit, I got to go in and bake cookies, because that's what was requested of me. So they want some of my chocolate chip cookies, and so they shall have some of my chocolate chip cookies. So we're going to have a little family day at our daughter's. They opened their pool up, so we're going to go brave the cold pool, but have some family time. Alright, so these are our potato beds, or part of our potato beds. We have had a lot of them die off, so we're going to go ahead and try to pull some and see how they're looking. Today is Sunday, June 7th, or 8th, June 8th. So Sunday, June 8th, East Tennessee. So we're going to see what our potatoes are looking like. All right, here we go. Yeah. Oh, shoot.
You slide me that basket.
Yeah. Heck yeah. We'll show y'all a close up when we get finished pulling some.
Well, let's try to leave our plants in a decent pile
Mm-hmm.
so it's easier to clean up later.
Let's get it started. Whoa, that's massive.
Make sure you don't throw the seed one in there. Yeah, because it's kind of rotten. So I'm gonna pull a few to make pruning, then start digging my hand.
What?
Look right here.
Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. I get real excited about the potatoes, y'all. That's the sweet potato, right? No.
No. It'll be smushy and ugly.
Yeah.
I'm even keeping these little ones since somebody kind of beat us up
I
last
literally
year.
was fixing to say that. We had somebody in our comments complaining because we didn't save these teeny tiny, we saved small potatoes, but these were so tiny they wouldn't even stay in our crate. And somebody was griping about they wouldn't watch our videos because of that. Okay, that is your prerogative to not watch my video.
Move the camera.
Oh, is it pointed down good?
Yes.
Good job, baby. Pardon our sniffles.
And of course I put the wheelbarrow farther away. I wanted to.
You want me to pull it over?
Hey, I can't reach the.
Oh, you can't reach that?
I don't want to throw them.
Oh. Show you guys, look, so far, that's what we've got.
In about 2 feet, less than 2 feet.
Yeah.
Look, there's one that didn't ever even grow.
What is that one?
Probably, I wouldn't save it though.
I'm not. I thought it looked funky. Ooh, look at that monster. Oh, wow. These are just beautiful.
And y'all, if you want to plant potatoes, don't spend the money on seed potatoes. These were grown from store-bought potatoes, and you're going to find hundreds of videos on YouTube of people saying you can't use store-bought potatoes because they spray them with sprout inhibiting chemicals. I don't know if they do or not, but we've been buying store-bought potatoes for years. We just buy them a month or two before we want to plant, put them in the pantry, and just forget about them. And when they start to sprout and it's time to plant, we just plant them. I mean, they're store-bought potatoes.
Because you're going to pay a lot for those seed potatoes.
Yeah, seed potatoes you're going to pay more, but I mean, you can buy them if you want to. I mean, I don't.
I don't either.
Oh yeah, you don't? And all these, the tops of these plants, they'll just go into the compost pile, and they'll just compost, and next year it'll be soil.
So this is half a bed. Not even half a bed. A quarter of a bed.
And I bet that's 25 pounds.
Yeah. And we've got 7 beds. Is that right?
Yeah, I think so.
Mama's on to something. He's talking.
We had a lizard the other day playing with it.
Did he really? Our cat is a menace to the animal neighborhood. Not really. Just the birds, lizards, bunny rabbits.
But that's what cats do.
Yeah, that's his job.
His job is to get the mice,
And he does that.
and he does that.
He does that very well. I can't reach that, so I'm just piling mine up there for now. Here.
We can put all these little ones in one thing to sell.
The sweet potatoes.
See? You only have to cut them.
Nope. Where'd he go?
Who?
No, I thought he was headed over here. Figured one of us, he'd end up in one of our, trying to get in one of our laps. Oh, up under that little rail.
Yeah.
And we're not using a spade or anything because we want to try not to scuff up the potatoes.
Okay, one more thing, and we're not going to wash these.
Right.
We want to leave the dirt on there. It'll help protect the skin because the skin is real thin right now. So they kind of need to harden and cure a little bit because you don't want scuffed potatoes. Scuffed potatoes will leave, they'll rot faster or go bad faster. So we're not washing them yet.
Yeah. And when you got this many potatoes, you ain't going through them that fast.
Yeah.
Even selling them like we do. So if you live in Spring City, Decatur, Dayton, Chattanooga, Hickson, Red Bank, we can get you some potatoes. Just leave a comment. We're going to change plants again since the next 2 are red. We're just going to go with that second bed. Get those pulled. Because the other beds aren't ready quite yet. They could be, but I don't think they're. I think they were planted a week or so apart, weren't they?
Probably. Or the potatoes weren't sprouted.
Yeah, they didn't sprout. It took them a minute to sprout.
Yeah.
Oh God, look at that.
Oh. Well, we're just pulling some of these out.
Hey, you got potatoes right there. You need
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. I having to correct him. I better hurry. I'm gonna get a face full of dirt in a minute. That shape.
Yeah.
Oh, Lillian sent Kelly and Corbin a gift. You know,
Yeah.
it was the pears and that popcorn stuff.
Yeah,
Gil
like
and
she sent us.
what is it? Yeah. What is that? Kurt something?
Yeah,
I can't remember.
Kurt Russell or something.
You're so stupid. You made me snort. Well, my first thought was Gil and Kurt, that flower shop in North Chattanooga. But it's not that. That was funny. Is it Kurt? Dave? I don't remember. Anywho, them fancy schmancy pears and popcorn and all that stuff.
Hey, this is something right here.
I'm uncovering. Yes. There's ants in there. Now I gotta go shower. Oof. You know I can't stand the ants.
I've not seen the first ant.
You ain't looking. You know I'm looking. Oh, you just wait. It's in my face.
Hey, you're wasting dirt. I had to buy all this dirt.
I can't believe you did that.
You can't.
But it's in my face.
It's good for you.
Now I'm gonna be panicking. I have ants crawling on me. Look, don't be shoving your dirt onto my dirt.